Ayan, nakahanap na kami ng dessert. Si Daddy, yung famous, ano yan? Melon bread. Melon bread ice cream. Ang ice cream niya matcha. Si Rhea, Oreo s'mores. Frozen Oreo s'mores. Masarap ba? Okay. Hati-hati lang. Tikim. Masarap yung bread, hindi matamis. Na? Akala ko matamis yung bread eh. Hindi matamis yung bread, tapos masarap yung ice cream. Sarap siya.
We entered the aquarium now. We're going inside.
We're now in the entrance and you can see a small tunnel.
Pasok tayo, hanapin natin sila, ano? Saan na ba sila, Rocky? Nandito na ba sila? Ayan, yung first makikita, as soon as you enter, is an circular aquarium, an oval aquarium, and then we'll go up. Go up daw, go up.
Sabi niya nandito na sila. Wala man ako nakita sa group chat.
Taas ng escalator. First, so parang we went up the 8th floor. Okay. So, Japan Forest. So, when you come inside the Japan Forest, may waterfalls. Medyo humid siya. There's waterfalls. I'm just not sure if may animal. May otter.
Japan Forest the replica. So you can see the flora and fauna with a few waterfalls.
And then you will see an
Otter.
Asian small clawed otter. Okay, nasaan? You see it? Ayun, nagsiswimming. Red-spotted masu salmon. Bakit parang wala to dun sa 5 salmons na sinabi sa Alaska? Yung king salmon.
Kasi wala siya sa Alaska eh.
Okay.
It's in Japan.
Oh, yeah.
Meron sila parang genital.
Ayan. Red-spotted salmon. Maliit pa siya. Next, we're going to the Japan Forest pa din. Rainfall from forest to the sea.
Yeah. So the arrangement of the aquarium is parang nag-start siya from the rainforest, and then the water flows from the rainforest to the river going down and then down to the sea. So here you can see is the marshland. So actually the water plants here I'm very familiar with. That's called Vallisneria, because I used to take care of water plants before, and this is one of the easiest plants to plant in your aquarium and take care with. They will basically grow wild in your aquarium as long as you have the right water parameters. So in the surface you can see Donald Duck and Daisy Duck. Hello.
May naiwan pa na sunglass. May mga stamping area.
So here you can see a shoal of small fishes. It's called Ayo sweet fish, and this is actually the common food of the Asian small clawed otter.
we're going to the Monterey Bay. Monterey Bay extends from the offshore of Moss Landing to the bottom of the coast where two tectonic plates meet, and it reaches depths of 3,000 meters. This area is a national marine sanctuary enabling sea lions and seals to live in close proximity to human communities. So here you will see seals. It's like in Monterey. Monterey Bay. Di ba sa Monterey Bay may area doon na maraming seal? Okay. Ay, ayan, maganda puti. Ano ba yun? Albino? Is that an albino? Is there such a thing? Okay, let's go.
Stamp break!
Next is the Gulf of Panama. Ano yan? Balik tayo sa Monterey Bay. Mga seal. Ano ginagawa niya? I think it's sleeping. How does it feel to sleep in water? California Sea Lion daw, sabi ni Ama. Came from San Francisco. Oops, sorry. South American coati. South American coati.
Kasama natin si Lolo Boy. Hindi ka makatingin ng ganito. Sobra. Tapos dito ka na lang sa gilid. Dito may isda. Ha?
Okay, next is the catfish. Spotted burfish. And leather jacket fowlfish. Spot fin burfish or parang puffer fish. Grocery?
Sa grocery yung malaki yung mata. It's a deep fish. Hindi ko alam yung local name pero yung pula na yan, kinakain yan. Siguro mga 300 per kilo.
Tapos, ano ba to? Catfish, di ba? That's a catfish. And then that one, scribbled leather jacket fowlfish. Ito pala sa baba. Yellow-brown wrasse.
It's like a branch. Parang nahulog siya pa. Para the cat can walk around.
Okay, next, we're going to the Ecuador rainforest. And what's that with the big head? Parang, ano nga yun? Yung
Green terror. Pero parang meron din yung parang
yung
flower
bubble
horn.
head? Flower horn. Yeah. Flower horn.
Yan yung arapay ma. Ito.
Okay.
Okay. So this is supposed to mimic the Brazil rainforest. Underwater, you can see various tetras, which is very common in the aquarium hobby. The plants here are also very common in the aquarium hobby. We have the Amazon sword plant. This is also very easy to plant. And again, as long as you have the right light, they will grow and spread very fast. In the surface, you can see some potos. And somebody is cleaning the enclosure. So the kids are having fun stamping for posterity's sake.
Rachel, what can you see?
What can you see? What can you see?
Saan na ba yung cameraman mo?
So here we have the Pacific white-sided dolphin, They're very playful. They keep on moving up and about. My only comment is that the enclosure seems very small for them. And it's very narrow. But it seems deep. But it's very narrow.
Mukhang the dolphins look happy in their enclosure, no? Even if it's small.
Great Barrier Reef, guys. Yes. Whoa, guys. This is absolutely epic. It's so colorful, guys. This is so cool. Whoa, it's so colorful.
So now we're in the Pacific Ocean. So there's sharks. Sharks in this enclosure. Stingrays. Overhead. Yeah, it's a stingray.
Look how they're opening their mouth. They're trying to get food.
Oh, ano pa?
So you can see various stingrays, manta rays, hammerhead sharks, some pugapus.
Yung sunfish meron din.
So that's a shark, a reef shark, and you have the famous whale shark, which I have swam together with in Moal Boal, Cebu. Oh, that's a shiny stingray. Yellow.
Okay. I think we'll be able to see this as long as we go along, diba?
It's coming.
Which one? Oh, the shark, yeah.
Oh, there's a sunfish also.
Ah, nandito na rin pala yung sunfish.
Na nila dati.
Ayun o yung sunfish, oh.
Dati nakahiwalay yan eh.
Oh. Ayun yung sunfish, oh. You see it? The first time, dito ko nakakita ng ano. This is first place I saw a sunfish. Patay ba yan?
Patay, puti na eh.
Yung nasa floor? Ah, I think it's dead nga. Raquel, that's a sunfish. That one. The shark's back. The whale shark is so big. Ganda, no? Oh. The one on the floor?
Take a picture, Raquel. So this is the Cameron rebosado. Ay! The common squid. And they're very swift and agile. And in sight of prey, they can dash out and squirt. In Bisaya, they're called nukos.
Is this the squid that we eat?
Yes. Yes, I like the one with black ink. The adobo. I don't like the one with.
You should try it.
Yeah.
You should try the adobong pusit.
Here, the giant kelp. And in Monterey, California, they have forests of this underwater. And with it comes a very unique ecosystem with sea lions, sharks, fishes, crustaceans.
There's a starfish. Oh. Blue starfish. Ayun, parang may something. So, may mga area na small aquarium. There's
A cucumber.
anong tawag doon? Anong tawag nga dyan?
Shrimp.
Shrimps. So, here are the penguins. We're under the penguins. Yung kanina, nung enclosure that we saw upstairs, the dolphins were on top. Here is the lower portion of that area. So, you can see the dolphins swimming. Much lower portion of the enclosure. And you can see again the whale shark. Saan na yung sunfish? Favorite ko yung sunfish. So there are 2 whale sharks inside. This is the acrylic glass that they use here. It's the Osaka Aquarium uses 103 acrylic glass spades weighing 314 tons in total, 1.5 times heavier than the world around annual output. So this is the one they use here in this enclosure. See, it's a sea lion. We're reaching the end of the aquarium na. Another stop. Forakel. How about your paper? Hindi ka na mag-stamp sa paper? I think may exhibit pa sila dito eh. Oh, penguins! Penguins again. They're called penguins. Hala, may amoy no? Merong may amoy. Ano sabi niya? Ayan, we're out na. So before you exit, there's a museum shop below before the exit. So we're just gonna look around, looking for magnets, t-shirts, toys, animal toys. Yan, mga keychain. So ngayon, pupunta tayo sa mall. After we spent around 1.5 hours inside the aquarium. And then after, hindi pa, early pa yata. Mall muna, tingin-tingin. I think there's a Lego, Sanrio. Yan, we're just in Daiso. We're looking around. Tingin-tingin lang. Okay, ano yan? Sanrio snacks. You get it na. You get it na. Sige, pupuntahan kita doon. Huwag ka aalis doon na. So, ito yung mga binili ko. Mga snacks. Ito may nakita ako. Parang pang ano siya. Pang dissolve daw sa bara. So, I'll try that. Tapos ito yung nakikita ko sa Facebook. Parang scent siya sa toilet. Yan, try lang. Hey guys, so yan, pauwi na kami. At kami ay inulan. After namin kumain, biglang umulan. Hindi namin dala yung mga raincoat and basang-basa. Basang-basa sa ulan! Yan, we're just waiting for them. They're buying cards. Sasakay kami ng train going back to the hotel. So we're gonna see you guys tomorrow.
We're
just
gonna rest. We're gonna see in
Call
Universal.
it a day. And fix the things that we need for tomorrow because a whole day kami doon.
Yeah.
And good
I'm
night.
excited for Universal.
You're excited?
Yes. Even though there's maraming tao.
Sana hindi.